Now I have taken the milk. Now our milk is boiling. We can add some more milk. Our milk is in the refrigerator. We will pour this in this lovely glass. By the time the milk is boiling, the milk is getting reduced, I will use the badam milk powder from Shweta's kitchen again for the Kesar badam milk chilled. I have already made in the lota. You can see a lovely kesar color with this powder. Again I will be using it. Again I will pour some masala. But I will do it in a different way. I will rim the glass with some water or with some milk. Okay, let's do it with this milk only. We'll pour some milk here and we will rim our glass with the milk. And now we will pour some of the masala of the powder. Okay, do it here. Okay, we'll do it here. Now we will line this with the powder. And we have lined our glass. We have lined our glass. Now our milk is also reducing it on its own. Now we will pour this in the glass with some nuts here and our Kesar badam milk with Shweta's Kesar milk badam powder or lovely malai. Here we have a lot of dry fruits and the masala we are having. Okay, let me spoon out the extra masala we have. This is ready again, and we will again use this balai. Balai is used in Lucknow. Shiva knows very well, and we have added this, some nuts on it, little bit of badam milk powder on the top, and the lovely Kesar badam milk is ready. Now how I made this, I boiled the milk, full cream fat milk, and added the badam milk powder. I have added the badam milk powder, boiled with this powder and chilled it in the refrigerator overnight. We have the lovely powder here ready. It has all the nuts. Now we are reducing the milk, stirring it continuously. It is a full cream milk. We will bring all the malai in the center. While boiling the full fat milk, the malai sticks on the sides of the pan. Our kalakand is ready. Our kesar badam milk is ready. Now it's rabdi time. Rabdi is also almost ready. We have the balai ready. Now our milk is getting reduced. The milk is getting thick on its own while boiling. Can we make both the ways, cold and hot? Yes, you can make both ways. You can have this milk hot also and cold also. Our milk is getting reduced and thick. You can see our milk is already thick. We will reduce it further so that we can have a wonderful rabdi. आज मैंने भी कलाकंद बनाया. Thank you so much. You have made the kalakand. I had the leftover danedar with me, so I thought to show how to make the kalakand to everybody. Milk is getting reduced. Little, you can see it is getting thick and it is sticking on the side of the pan. You can see a good malai is coming. You can see this is the malai, the milk solid. See, our milk is reduced. It is coming to the stage of a rabdi. Any questions regarding rabdi? Rabdi also we can have without sugar, with sugar, less sugar, any flavor you want. Good rabdi also. If you want to have a good rabdi, you can, when the milk is thick, reduced, add some good. Manav, are you watching? We have to continuously stir our milk. We can't leave the milk unattended because it will stick to the bottom of the pan. You can see a lovely malai is coming. Always use a full fat milk from the buffalo milk, full cream buffalo milk. You will get a lovely rabdi.
How much time will it take to boil?
It is almost done. If you are taking half a liter of milk, it will take you around 15 minutes to reduce the milk. Continuously you have to boil and stir your milk, and after 20 minutes you will get your rabdi. And you chill it, it will get thick more on its own, and it is almost at the stage of a rabdi. You can see we have attained the stage of rabdi almost. It is 70%. Our rabdi is ready. For I will show you how to check it. In the spoon, see, it is not pouring and it is coating our back of the spoon. It is coating very nicely.
Is the milk need to be reduced at a high flame?
Yes, you have to reduce the milk at a high flame only because only then you will get a white rabdi. If you reduce the milk on a low flame, your due to lactose and its natural sweetness, it will turn a little yellow. It will turn a little brown. Now our rabdi is almost ready. It is almost ready. See, it is almost thick and it is coming on its own from the pan. You can see it is our rabdi is ready. You can have it. I have the lovely earthenware, a lovely kasora for the rabdi. I will pour it in the kasora. Now we will reduce it a little bit more. Our rabdi is almost done. I have the lacha with me, the balai. It's not malai, it's balai. And it is almost done. Now I will add this. We will switch off our flame. Our rabdi is done. Now we will add some sugar. Little bit of sugar we will add because hardly a teaspoon of sugar will do, because we have taken a 300 ml of milk we took. We are making it more thick because now we will add the sugar. Sugar will leave its moisture. Remember, we will add a little bit of sugar. That's it. A little bit of sugar. Yes. Now you can see the sugar will leave its own moisture. Little bit of cardamom powder. Little bit of cardamom powder we have added. Our rabdi is ready. I will pour the rabdi in this. Now I will add my balai. After tearing it, these are known as malai lacha, lacha rabdi, which we call it. We add it like that. We added our lacha here. You can add our lacha, lovely lacha. You can have it. And this will also absorb any, it will make the rabdi thick. We have to chill it in the refrigerator. It will get thick. We will add the leftover malai we have. This is our lacha rabdi. We have some more here.
What is the reason to add the sugar at the end?
When we will add sugar at a very early stage, our milk will stick to the pan and we will not able to get the rabdi as the sugar gets thick on its own. You can see a beautiful rabdi is ready here. A beautiful rabdi is here ready. We can check the sweetness here. We will check the sweetness. It needs some more sugar. Little bit of sugar it needs. Some cardamom powder. We can add sugar if it is less. If we will add excess of sugar, the rabdi will curdle. We will not get the rabdi, a good rabdi. It will curdle. Now we will switch off the flame and pour it in the kasora we have here. beautiful rabdi is ready here with the lacha. You can see we have got a lovely lacha here. Our rabdi is almost done. Now the stage is how to decorate it. We will decorate it with the chopped nuts on one side and the kesar badam powder on the other side. Now our rabdi, kesar badam rabdi, kesar badam doodh is almost done. Now I will show you the kalakand. Now I will show you the kalakand.